Good morning. I am starting off my day with 1 cup of black coffee. That is 0 points. I'm a little bit hungry, but not really, and I took some vitamins, so I need something in my stomach. So I'm gonna have the strawberry, no sugar applesauce. It's so very delicious, and it's 0 points. Hello, welcome to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Corinna. Now with Weight Watchers, I have the Weight Watcher app, but what I actually follow is the app called Healthi. A few of you have reached out and couldn't find the app. This is what the app looks like. It is a free service, but if you would like the upgrades, it does charge you a fee. These fees can range anywhere from $20 up to like $45, I think. It depends on what you want. Now I'm on the Pro plan, so I pay mine yearly. In the Healthi app, when you are setting it up, you can choose different things to make it more personal. You can do low sugar, you can do low carb. I am following Carb Conscious. That program is identical to the Points Plus program that Weight Watchers used to have years ago. I was on that one through Weight Watchers and it worked tremendously for me, and the one through Healthi is doing the exact same thing. I am losing weight and I feel good. I also have the Weight Watcher app because I like to be able to compare the points and bring both programs to you. The Weight Watcher app is $22 a month, and if you are interested in WW, you can use my link below. With Healthi, I get 26 points a day and 49 points for weeklies. With WW, I get 23 points a day and 36 weekly. I like to take both of these apps. I like to calculate my food items, and I will show you as I go along throughout my day. It is almost lunchtime, but first I want to prepare our chicken for our dinner tonight. We're having Chipotle chicken tonight for dinner, and I want my chicken to marinate for the day. And I'm just following the package directions. I am dicing up my chicken. I didn't really eat breakfast, so I'm going to eat a brunch. I do this often. There's a lot of times I would rather have breakfast food for lunch than for actual breakfast. Plus, I am teaching myself to wait for hunger. I want to be hungry before I think about food. And I'm drinking water. I just keep filling this glass all day long. I have a straw that I drink it through. I like my water with ice in it. It makes it nice and cold and just super yummy. In my pantry, I am going to get out my Sara Lee Delightful Bread. Also ground cinnamon and nutmeg. I'm gonna scan the bread. In the Weight Watcher app, they have the scanner bar right here. This is very sensitive. I mean, I didn't even have it turned over and it scanned it. Wow. So for 2 pieces of the Sara Lee bread, it is 2 points. I'm gonna add that to today. I'm gonna put it in for lunch and track it. Through the Healthi app, at the top is the scanner. Whoop, it scanned it. My goodness. For 2 slices, it is 2 points. I'm gonna put it in for lunch and track it. I have egg beaters and some turkey bacon. On Weight Watchers, eggs are 0 points. But through the Healthi app, I have to count it. It comes up for 3 tablespoons. I'm gonna change that. I'm gonna scroll to cups. 1 cup is 3 points, but I'm gonna go to just a half a cup, and that's 1 point. Push done, lunch, and track. For the turkey bacon, I have that saved, or you can go up to the search bar, you can punch in turkey bacon and it should have the points and stuff right in there. But I scan the package and then I mark it so that it's in my favorites. So for 1 slice, it's 1 point, but I'm going to have 2 slices for 2 points. Through the Weight Watcher app, I'm gonna go up to search. In the search bar, I am typing in turkey bacon. See how all this stuff comes up? You can choose whichever one, but I'm gonna choose this one. So for 2 slices, it's 2 points. Track it. Oh my goodness, if you haven't guessed what I'm making, I forgot to tell you what I'm making. So I am having French toast. My French toast, I like cinnamon and nutmeg in it. I'm also going to scramble up some eggs, and I'm gonna put some of that turkey bacon in those eggs. I measured out a half a cup of those egg beaters, and I'm going to add a little bit to a bowl to dip the bread into. It's not gonna take much. To this, I'm gonna add a little bit of that cinnamon and a tiny bit of nutmeg. Mix these seasonings in. I have my pan heating up. Dip this in. This bread is a thinner bread, so it does not take much egg to coat it. Pop that in my pan. This takes no time to cook. I'm adding a little bit of spray butter. Spray butter is 0 points. I wiped out the pan. I crumbled up the turkey bacon and I'm adding that to the pan to heat up. I'm adding in the rest of the eggs. I'm gonna get these scrambled up and sprinkle a little bit of salt and pepper into them too. Adding my eggs and bacon to the plate, and there is a delicious lunch. Also with lunch, I drank a hint water, or I am drinking it. I still have a little bit left in here. These are so good. They are pricey, unfortunately. The prices just shot right up on these things, but they are really good. There's no calories, so it's just a little hint, get it? Of fruit. They have mixed fruit like peach, and then they also have cherry, and they have blueberry, lots of flavors, and 0 points. This is so pretty, I don't even want to mix it together. So I'm trying a new drink from Dunkin'. It is a medium iced macchiato, 3 hazelnut shots, and oat milk. The hazelnut shots are sugar-free. I looked this up online, and for a medium, it's only 2 points. It's good. It's creamy. It's not sweet, but it's really good, very refreshing. When I was searching for a low-calorie coffee, this one had come up. For a small, it's only 50 calories. So I went with a medium for 100 calories. You can get almond milk or oat milk in it, and then whatever sugar-free flavoring that you want. These are new to me. My sister was telling me about them. They're a Pop-Tart Bite. They're in individual bags, which is great for on the road kind of a snack. Or these go really good with coffee in the morning too for breakfast. Not a great option, but still really good with coffee. These ones are the frosted cinnamon roll. I also saw that they have a strawberry flavor online too. And for 1 bag through the Healthi app, it is 4 points. But through Weight Watchers, for 1 bag, it's 8 points. So that's my snack today. Iced coffee and bite-sized Pop-Tarts. I'm filling up my glass with water again. I honestly don't know how many glasses I've drank today, including that hint water. I lost track of the count. Tonight's dinner is one I've made on my channel. Actually, I have a video and I'll have it linked below. It is a Chipotle chicken bowl, and in the video I make, I believe, 4 different bowl meals. So I was looking at the website where the recipe is, and it is the Skinny-ish dish. And she really does not give good nutrition so that I could just add it right into my Healthi app. And then when I entered it into the Weight Watcher app, it come up like 13 points. And I was like, ooh, no, that's way too high. On the Skinny-ish dish website, she said Weight Watcher points were only 5. So what I would do is just enter it manually. Through Weight Watchers, chicken is 0 points. Chicken is 1 point per ounce through the Healthi app. So I'm gonna have 3 ounces of chicken for 3 points. Jasmine rice in both WW and Healthi for a half a cup is 3 points. For beans, I'm using these Chipotle pinto beans. They're sweet and smoky. These things are fantastic. If you haven't tried them, I highly recommend them. You can get them at Walmart. For a 1/3 cup through the Healthi app, it's 2 points. For a 1/4 cup through the Weight Watcher app, it's 2 points. If you want shredded cheese, for 2 tablespoons is 1 point through the Healthi app. And through Weight Watchers, for 2 tablespoons of shredded cheese, it is 2 points. This is not fat-free or 2%. It's just a normal mild cheddar cheese. So I'm gonna wash that pan out and I'm going to reuse it for our chicken for tonight. This recipe is really good with lime cilantro rice. I don't have cilantro, but I have some lime juice, so I'm gonna set this on the island, and whoever wants to put a little squirt of lime juice into the rice can bump up the flavor. I need to get my rice cooker and jasmine rice. You know, I was thinking about that snack that I had today. The coffee was good, but I was thinking next time I might try a different flavor, and I might try like vanilla, sugar-free vanilla. And the Pop-Tart bites, those were like eating a little cookie. They were soft with like a cream in the middle and a crunch too. They were really good. I'm impressed. I've got the chicken in the pan. I'm gonna let that cook up while I get the Chipotle beans going. I'm gonna put them on the back burner. I forgot to mention that the marinade does have a little bit of oil in it. The one that I'm using, I have to have like, it's a 1/4 cup of oil. So if you want to count the oil, it would only be a couple points. This is optional, and it's to add lettuce to this Chipotle chicken bowl. I did it when I made it the first time and I really liked it, so I'm gonna chop some of this up and I'm gonna add it to my chicken bowl. For these Chipotle bowls, you can add tomatoes to it. I mean, any vegetable, it's 0 points. You can also add sour cream, guacamole, but if you do, those are points and you have to figure those ones out. I like salsa in these bowls, so that's what I'm going to have, and this is 0 points on both Weight Watchers and Healthy. This meal comes together really quickly. It's ready for us to dish up. I have my scale and a paper plate, and I'm going to weigh out my chicken. I hope you can see it. It says 3 ounces, so that's gonna go in my bowl. Okay, so I'm building my bowl. I have a 1/2 cup of rice. I'm gonna add a few sprinkles of the lime juice to my rice. I get a 1/3 cup of the chipotle beans, 2 tablespoons of shredded cheese, but first I added the chicken, some salsa, and now I'm gonna top it with lettuce. So Jason tasted his chicken bowl and he said that the last time I had made it, I grilled the chicken, so I had left the chicken whole. This time I diced it, and he said the flavors go throughout all of the chicken. He said you can taste the flavors way better. It's a lot better than what it was last time. So that's good to know. Also, alongside of my chicken bowl, I am going to have this Minute Maid lemonade. It is 0 sugar and 0 points. Now it is time for me to find a snack. I have 6 points and I would like to use all of them because my eating has been on the lighter side today and I didn't eat breakfast. So let's go in the pantry and see what I can find. I have my snacks on their own little shelf, pretty much. So Fiber One, I know for a fact that a Fiber One bar is only 2 points because they're 70 calories. I have these peanut butter pretzels that I can have for a few points if I decide. And then in my chip bin, I have these rice cakes that are cheddar. Seriously, these things are amazing and I have been craving them, so I'm gonna have these. And I'm also going to have a Fiber One. This one is like a chocolate chip cookie. It has chocolate swirled all over it with some chips in there. I have my Healthy app open first. For 16 pieces, it's 4 bites. I'm gonna put it to snack and then hit track. That leaves me with 2 more bites. And that is where my Fiber One bar comes in. For one of the brownies, it's 2 bites. Oh, I almost put it for dinner. Gotta hit snack, and now I'm at 0. I'm getting into the Weight Watcher app. It says for 18 mini cakes, it is 4 points. Move that to snack, track, and that brought it to 0 points. I'm also gonna scan the Fiber One bar. 2 points. If you like this style of video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Thank you so much for being here with me today. I always enjoy your company. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I will see you soon. Wait, here are 2 more What I Eat in a Day videos to watch next. They will help you stay on track.